What are the steps in a product liability lawsuit? Our journey kicks off with the investigation stage, where our diligent lawyer gathers crucial evidence, interviews key witnesses, and prepares for the legal battle ahead. Think of it as assembling the ultimate toolkit for the legal journey. Stage 2. Pleadings. Next, we enter the realm of pleadings. Here, our lawyer crafts a compelling story of the case, filing a complaint that sets the stage for the legal drama to unfold. On the other side, the defense prepares their counter-narrative. It's the opening scene of our legal drama. Stage 3. Discovery. The plot thickens during the discovery stage, where both sides exchange information and unearth the facts of the case. Picture a treasure hunt, but instead of gold, our lawyer is searching for evidence that will turn the tide in their favor. Step 4. Pre-trial conference. Before the courtroom showdown, there's a strategic huddle at the pre-trial conference. It's a chance for settlement talks or to explore alternative resolutions like arbitration or mediation. Think of it as negotiating the path to victory without the battlefield. Stage 5. Trial. If no agreement is reached, we advance to the trial stage, the climactic battle where our lawyer presents the case before a judge and jury. Each side lays out their evidence and arguments in a dramatic bid for justice. Stage 6. Settlement. Sometimes, even as the trial looms, a surprise twist leads to a settlement. Our lawyer and the opposing side may find common ground, agreeing to a resolution that avoids the uncertainty of a jury's verdict. It's a strategic retreat that can sometimes win the war. Stage 7. Appeal. For those cases that reach an unexpected finale, there's always the chance of an appeal. Our lawyer might seek to overturn the trial's outcome, taking the quest for justice to the higher courts. It's the sequel that could rewrite the story. In the quest for justice, every case is a journey worth taking. For more help, reach out to Rosenfeld Injury Lawyers today.